Hello students, welcome to your first session of Basic to Advanced Java series, where you and me are going to learn code and execute Java problems together. Our problem of the day is to reverse a string. So first we have to create a public class. Let us name our public class as reversed string. Then we have to create a entry point of our class, which will be the main, but it is as public static void main. String args. So entry point of our program has been created. Now we have to write the 3 line of code. So first let us consider a string with a variable str, and let us our string be automation. Now the important line of our code is, now we have to create system string builder. Let us create a new variable reversed equals to new string builder, and it will take our previous str, use its method reverse, and voila. So the third line of our code is the most important line of the code. System.out.println. This is the line of code that we have learned everywhere. But my question to you students is, what we have to write in this system.println? Should we have to print str? Yeah, do we have to print automation? We actually have to print reversed, because reverse has the value of new string builder, which has used the reverse method. And oops, sorry students, a minor mistake. Our code has executed successfully. Now students, I'll be explaining you the each line of this code. Public class. Why we have created a public class? Because in to use Java application, a public class with a main method has to be created. Okay. So second line of our code contains public static void with main. Why we have used public here? Because it means that it can be accessed anywhere. Static, so that it can be called without creating an instance of a class. Void, because it doesn't return any value, and main is our entry point of our program. So here what you have to notice here is str is our variable and string is the method. Str is a variable, same as reversed here is a variable. And for your information, we are using string here, but why we are using string builder here? There is a big catch to it, because string is an immutable object. That means that we cannot modify the value of a string after it is created. But string builder, in string builder, we can it is an immutable object, and we can change the data in after it is created. And also the reverse function, this reverse method of string builder class, we can directly reverse the value which is in the str. Okay. And the most important line of our code is system.out.println. This is most important because until and unless you print out our logic, you cannot verify it is right or wrong. Okay. So thank you students. This is your desired output students. So students, keep learning, keep practicing,